Hello everyone, welcome back. In my last video, we explored how to use Google Collab AI feature to extract data from the World Bank. Today we are going a step further. We will connect the data to real decision making. So whether you are teaching a business course, exploring investment strategy, or just learning to use AI in the classroom, this video will give you a full workflow, start to finish. So here is what we will cover. First, prompt engineering. So crafting the right question makes all the difference. Next, we will move into fetching data using Google Colab. We did that last time, so I will go over it, but this time we're going to save the data into an Excel file that we will use in step 3, which is uploading the data into ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis tool and use it to evaluate which BRIC country is the best for our investments, or you can use it to any other decision making. And the final step is evaluation and verification. As you know, AI isn't perfect, so deeper research is necessary. And joining me for this video is my assistant, is Professor Bot. Let's dive in.
So prompt engineering is essentially the art of crafting your questions or instructions to an AI in a way that gets you the best and most accurate results. Think of it as teaching the AI how to understand exactly what you're looking for. Beyond what's on the slide, I would suggest keeping in mind that the best prompts often include a clear statement of what you want the AI to do, any background information it needs to understand your request, and specific details about the desired output, such as the format, length, or style.
If you have a prompt and you want to improve it, there are prompts generated that can help you with that. And we're going to use one of them next. So I am using AI Mind, and all I did just copy my prompts and paste it there. And it's click generate, and it will generate an improved, prompts with the follow-up questions. Okay, in my last video, I explored how to use Google Colab AI feature here to extract data from the World Bank. I will do the same again, but this time I will add just one thing, is to ask it to save that file so we can take it to ChatGPT. So I'm going to do it quick, but if you need more information, you can go back to my previous video. So I will click on generate, paste my prompt, and then click generate the code. So here is the code. As I explained, as you see here, I have the feature to save the data to Excel, so it will save it under this name. So I will click run, and then successfully install. So everything is good, so it's done. As you see here, it took 10 seconds. And then I will go to this icon here, to the folder icon. I click on it, and you see here, and here is the file. I'm going to click on these 3 dots and download the file. The file is downloaded, and this is the file I'm going to take to ChatGPT. So this is the Excel file. The data was extracted successfully. Okay, after getting the file from Colab, I will bring it here to ChatGPT for data analysis. I am using ChatGPT Plus, which allows me to use some advanced features for data analysis and also provide some privacy features. So I'm going to go to the plus sign here. Before I ask anything, I will just add the plus to add the file. I save it on my hard drive, so I'm going to upload it there. It's uploading. Then I will add my prompts. And as you know, I did improve my prompts using prompt generator. So I'm just going to take it from here, copy and paste it. And by the way, there are also follow-up questions that I can use later. So I'm just going to go and paste my prompt, and then I will run it. So ChatGPT is analyzing the data to come up with the final decision. But my personal advice regarding this, generative AI in general make mistakes, and sometimes it simplify the analysis. So you really need to have a good background on this. At the same time, you need to do further research. This is very simplistic. I didn't add any weight to the indicators. I didn't add any other indicators that could be better than what I have right now. So, ChatGPT is relying on what I gave it. So you really need to do further research and even ask expert. So here is the analysis, etc., etc. It did the ranking, and then finally it's come up with the final thought. And it come up that China is #1, destination for our investments, and Brazil is second. I have my students presenting similar projects in class, and they totally disagree with ChatGPT. Actually, most of them did. So this is just a good indicator that you should not totally rely, on this. This is just a good start and also a good information to use. Well, thank you so much for your attention. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, please share this knowledge with others. The purpose from these videos is to support learning and spread useful insights. Next up, I'll show you how to use generative AI to streamline data collection through surveys, focus group, interviews, and more. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.